Are you looking to capitalize on the latest trends using AI? Introducing ChatGPT Viral Cash Stack, a PDF guide designed to help you profit quickly. This system will guide you to spot emerging topics before they become mainstream. You'll learn how to rapidly create a digital product, like an ebook, based on that topic. Finally, you'll sell your product through AI-generated sales pages and social media content. This entire process promises to take just an afternoon. However, before diving in, let's explore some significant drawbacks. First, this approach promotes an arbitrage mindset. It encourages you to chase hot trends, leading to quick profits but no sustainable business. The appeal is in fast sales, but what happens when the trend fades and the market becomes oversaturated? Next, consider that the market is being flooded with low-quality AI content. If many people adopt this system, they'll produce similar products. This could lead to a price war, where quality quickly deteriorates and unique value disappears. Moreover, the guide oversimplifies product value. Speed seems to trump depth. While the guide suggests creating a product in 60 minutes, truly valuable products often require insights and unique expertise. A rushed product may fall flat, leading to refund requests. The supposed predictability of virality presents another issue. The system suggests success in spotting viral potential. But predicting what will truly catch fire is notoriously challenging. Many will inevitably fail, creating generic products that don't resonate. Finally, let's discuss the marketing tactics used. The guide lacks originality, essentially instructing you on how to replicate a method for creating guides. You might just become another customer chasing the same trend. In summary, while the ChatGPT Viral Cash Stack offers a tempting promise of fast profits, it loses sight of sustainability and quality. It may lead to a short-lived venture instead of a lasting business. Be cautious of aggressive marketing tactics and assess if this approach is right for you. Are you ready to take the plunge into the world of trending topics? Remember to consider the long-term implications of your decisions.